Alright guys, sorry, I'm having to redo this. For whatever reason, I recorded everything. The audio went through, but the video came through on an old video that I had. It was weird. So anyways, this is all corrupted. So hopefully it'll work this time. But basically, so this is the stand for the DeWalt 788 scroll saw, right? I wanted to make this mobile so I can wheel it out here, do some scroll sawing and that kind of stuff, and a lot of the sawdust stays out of the garage. That's kind of my main goal for that. And on these scroll saws, they always have the back kicked up just a little bit, and the reason for that is whenever you're looking down on the object, if you have to look straight down, it'll put a strain on your neck, strain on your back. So you have it kicked up, so instead of reading a book like this, you can read a book like this. That's basically what it turns out to be. So I found these casters. They're special casters where they swivel around, they roll, but whenever you lock them, it keeps it from swiveling and it keeps it from rolling. So basically these are it's a 5-inch caster in the back, and there's 3-inch casters up front. These were like $6.99 or whatever, and the back one was like $12.99. So roughly for about 25 bucks, you can get this fairly simple project done. It really only took about 30 minutes to do. Obviously filming and all that stuff takes a little bit longer, but all in all it takes about 30 minutes to do. I did only kind of tack weld most everything in case this doesn't work out and I don't like it. I can just grind it off and go from there. But I was a little bit worried because these legs, they don't go straight down. They do kick off to the side just a little bit, but it really doesn't seem to affect these rollers because basically it's just the camber or caster on the wheel, so it shouldn't matter. I mean, you might get a little bit of a like tie rod in where where it's only rubbing on one side of the tire, but these are not gonna. I'm not driving this around the block, you know, so you'll be fine with this. But anyway, so yeah. So here's my sand. That's kind of how I did that. But stay tuned. I'll show you how I did it. But if you guys don't want to watch the whole video, that's cool. This is basically what I did. I just welded casters onto the stand to make it mobile. So, alright, stay tuned, I'll show you how I did it. And eye protection as well. So I'm using a 60 grit flap disc. Okay, so this is about 16 gauge, as well as the stand. As well as the stand is about 16 gauge. Okay, so that makes it pretty easy. Go here and turn that on. And you go 16 gauge. That's it. Everything else is pretty much set. Might be a little high, but that's alright. There the gas is. as you see, all done. It does swivel quite nicely. And then if I need to, I can lock it down. And it doesn't want to go anywhere, so I think that ought to work. I'll slap a little bit of black paint on it so it don't rust. We're good to go. Sorry about the garage picture, I know it's dirty, but I figure with the sun setting and the lighting and all that stuff, this is the best way to go. So this is a pretty simple little 24 bucks. So to make this more mobile and to lock it down to where it won't go anywhere whenever you're actually working on it. So okay, so I know it's kind of hard to see the angle whenever it's on the driveway, but it does have a pretty good little slope. I'm doing the 5" in the back and the 3" up front. Gives us about a 5-degree slope, maybe 6. So I think that should be good enough. So I should be getting the scroll saw back here in the next couple of weeks. Mother's Day is next week. I was hoping I'd get it back before then so I could do a couple little things, but it is what it is. So look forward to maybe some easy projects that we can do with the scroll saw. Look in the description down below for some Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything. It costs you the same amount if you were to buy it on your, on just your regular Amazon link. But if you're using one down below, a little bit of that does get kicked back to the channel so we can do projects and stuff like this. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get something out of it. Y'all comment, rate, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.